Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are putting some car accessories on the Seat. Of course, on the video it was raining pretty much just like the day. Just let the camera sort itself out. There we go. Lovely, lovely rain. So of course we've got some wind deflectors, some badges and some little bits. It's only going to be a little quick time lapse because there wasn't really a lot of mods. There was only like 3 mods out the whole thing. Just thought it was a nice little video for you guys. As you can see, it is being edited as we speak. So hope you guys enjoy. Hope you enjoy, guys, and please like the video. Comment what mod you want next. Obviously, if you saw the coding video, which was the last video before, if you haven't, it'll count with a card right now. But the coding one was quite fun. Of course, we changed some little bits, and it showed a little spoiler for the next video after this one. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, comment, like and subscribe, and enjoy the montage. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just